This year, no grief for anybody. My brother, my sister, come closer. What if I told you there are numerous opportunities waiting to be explored right here in Nigeria, especially with stock investments? Look at it this way, stocks aren't just numbers, they're a ticket to ownership in companies that are shaping Nigeria's future. So, here are 3 simple steps to investing in Nigerian stocks in 2024. Number 1, open a brokerage account. Just like your bank account, your brokerage account helps you store your investments. 2, register with CSCS. CSCS basically helps you track your investments and monitor your investments without having to go through your broker. Though it's not compulsory, but your mind is at ease. And the last but not the least is your withdrawals. Many of the brokerage platforms have online mediums that you can use to request for withdrawals. Just simply log on to their website, apply for withdrawals. Sometimes you may have to send a mail. And voila, in 24 to 48 hours, you get your money back. However, note that if you're investing over 100 million naira, there's going to be capital gains tax of about 10% on your returns. But if not, you are free, no tax troubles. Thanks, and stay tuned for more updates.